Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to my YouTube channel TechSavvy tutorial. The TechSavvy tutorial, so we'll also discuss about in this topic how to donate a car in California. Donating your vehicle in California, the proof is the price tag. There are reasons why the state has the most expensive cars in the country. Forbes magazines looked at data by Experian and automotive and analysis and consulting firm in Illinois that evaluated luxury car purchases brand and state by state. For 1 year, they compared the number of cars sold with the total number of luxury vehicles purchased in all 50 states and the District of Columbia. Not surprisingly, California was at the top of the list. They found later 15.9% of car sales average luxury brands. The weather may be a big reason that California travelers spend a lot on their cars. They don't develop rust and other damage because of snow and extreme temperatures and other coveted items in tax received in California. And the good news is there an easy way for vehicles owners to get one and a car donation. Why donate a car? One of the top reasons to donate a car is California. It is a swift and easy way to get rid of the wheels you don't need. You spend months trying to determine if it's time to make a change. Do I invest in a new vehicle or keep paying for repairs? There are lots of reasons people replace their vehicles, including cosmetic deteriorations, too many meals on the automotor, unreliable transportations to impress clients' birthday or anniversary gifts. Want new factors, growing family, shrinking family. There are a lot of routes you can take to move along the car you no longer needs, but with California car donations you get the tax advantages plus you get to benefit of favorite quality for a person who already serves the non-profits world, either as a board members of organization of big hitters, donors, or faithful volunteers. It's an easy choice. You know where proceeds from your car donation will go when you choose a local company such as Charities. You have the opportunity to support California Charities in whatever area you want to, from children and education to patients with serious illnesses. You can become a part of providing comfort or solving a problem for other procedures, from cars to charities. Vehicles donations have supported hundreds of California charities. Funding has benefited such California-based non-profits as California Fire Foundations, the Fund Sports Firefighters There are females and communities affected by the by wildfires throughout California. Name California, it stands for the National Alliance of Mental Health Issue and the foremost non-profit supporting the families of individuals suffering from mental illness. ACLU offers Solution California, famed defenders of legal equality, the American Civil Liberties Unions for the obstructions of constitutional rights, including freedom of speech and assembly, the right of religion, or freedoms, due process of law, and right to privacy.